It is hard to find things that won't sell online. With this quotation from CEO of Amazon, I greet respected principal, worthy professors, my dear friends, and everyone listening to my voice. I am Vijent and I am here to present my views in favor of the motion digital marketing in agriculture. Now, what is digital marketing? It refers to the application of marketing principles and techniques via electronic media and more specifically the internet. With more than 50% of the population engaged in agriculture sector, India is known to be a developing nation with a primarily agriculture-based economy. But one of the problems facing agriculture farmers in India is how to market their products beyond their locality, which I feel very strongly that it can be solved by the use of digital marketing or e-marketing. I'm not claiming it out of the thin air. Actually, I'm going to back it up with some data, statistics and facts. First, tell me, if you are going to sell your products in the local market, what would be your customer reach? 50, 100, 500 or 1000 if market is big enough. But if you take advantage of digital marketing, you have chance to line your products in between millions of people. Yes, you heard it right. In between millions of people. Each person could be your potential customer. Now I would like to put some data. Digital population in India is 687.6 million with active e-commerce penetration of 74%. An estimated online retail market size of 73 billion US dollar. The number of digital buyers across the country was estimated to be approximately 330 millions in 2020. The figure suggests that almost 71% of internet users in the region have purchased products online. A survey in 2017 shows that 65% of the internet usage data generated from rural households was for e-commerce. This shows the light of hope that people are becoming aware of the possibility of growing business using the internet. This data not only strongly, very much strongly suggests that how amazingly digital marketing can boost your customer reach. But increasing customer reach and putting your own price tag, is it? Is it the only approach of digital marketing in agriculture? Answer is big no. Let me list few others. First one is disintermediation of middlemen. Growers and agriculturists can directly contact the buyers, which reduces the number of intermediaries in the supply chain. This results in better price realization, better availability of crop and less scarcity. Second one is growth and transfer of knowledge. Third one is ability to connect to a wider audience. And with digitalization, they may even come in contact with suppliers of post-harvest technology such as transport, storing and packaging. While I submit there are several challenges involved in the adaptation of digital marketing for agriculture. But challenges are what make life interesting, overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. With the increasing amount of literacy in rural area and improvement in agribusiness and infrastructure, it is quite hopeful that there will be significant adoption of digital marketing in agriculture sector as well. With this, I would like to finish my argument. Thanks.